In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a live progress bar in Microsoft Excel. To get started, open your Excel file and locate the progress column you want to work with. This method is perfect if you have a list of tasks, percentages, or completion values and you want a quick visual way to track progress without building a separate chart. Once your file is open, select the data in the progress column. Make sure you highlight only the cells that already contain progress values. This is important because you want Excel to apply the formatting exactly where the numbers are, and keeping your selection focused helps avoid formatting empty or unrelated cells. After selecting the correct cells, go up to the Home tab on the Excel ribbon. From there, click Conditional Formatting. This feature allows Excel to visually format cells based on the values inside them, which is exactly what makes this progress bar effect so useful. In the conditional formatting menu, choose data bars. You'll then see a few style options appear. At this point, select the look you prefer, either gradient fill or solid fill. Gradient fill gives the bar a softer, more blended appearance, while solid fill creates a cleaner, bolder look. Both work the same way, so the choice really comes down to your visual preference and the style of your spreadsheet. As soon as you click a style, Excel will place progress bars directly inside the selected cells. The larger the value in a cell, the longer the bar will appear. This gives you an instant visual summary of progress, making it much easier to scan your data quickly. Now here's the most important part. This progress bar is live. That means Excel automatically updates the bar whenever the number in the cell changes. For example, if a value changes from 50 to 80, the bar instantly grows to reflect that new amount. There's no need to recreate the formatting, refresh a chart, or do anything manually. The reason this works live is simple. The data bar is directly linked to the value in each cell. Since the formatting depends on the number itself, any update to that number is immediately reflected in the bar. That means no manual chart updates are needed, and any change in your progress values will instantly update the visual indicator. This makes data bars a great option for dashboards, project trackers, status reports, or any worksheet where progress needs to be monitored at a glance. And that's it. You've now created a live progress bar in Microsoft Excel using conditional formatting, and from this point on, your bars will continue to update automatically as your numbers change.